The uni MPB 25% open fish processing belt is sure to become an industry favourite. Its large single-link design, in sizes from 12 up to 24 inches, avoids the irregular joints associated with traditional bricklay pattern belts, making it easy to assemble and requiring less spare parts. Combined with its simple-to-use uni 8mm lock pins, the belt is easy to maintain, especially on fish trawlers. With its 25% open surface, water easily flows through the belt, providing great drainage. Importantly, the belt's smooth, flat surface improves product quality by reducing damage to the skin of the fish. Durable material and construction create a strong, long-lasting belt. If you are looking for a wide single-link belt that helps protect product quality, uni MPB 25% open fish processing belt is the answer.